What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me on another Sunday. The best TV series in the world, guys. We are here every single Sunday. Live future market update. I am long on MNQ up $50. I am starting a new small account challenge, and I'm going to walk you guys through what I'm doing here. And I just want to show you the power of futures trading and how even with a tiny account, you can still be involved with the market after hours, overnight, etc. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, hit me with the one if you can hear me loud and clear. Let's do some shout outs. Anthony, Dr. D, Bill, what's going on? Hillbilly, Corey, Briggs, Johnny, Sid, John, Richard, Aaron, Arnaldo, Trading Wars Army. Good to see you guys. Dr. D, Terrence, what's going on? Who else? Henry, Proc. All right. So let's start off here, my friends, with this setup. And I'm going to walk you through how to trade the futures. Okay. So right here, guys, I'm using MNQ. Okay. So a lot of people ask me about trading NQ. So I'm trying to do this small account challenge using NQ. So MNQ is 1/10 of a regular NQ contract. Every single point that this contract moves is $2. Okay. So you could see right here, it's moving live 14,710, 14,710 and a quarter. So every time it goes up by one or down by one, you're getting plus or minus $2. So here we could see it a little bit easier on the 5-minute chart. Okay. So you can see here, guys, if we bump up, to, let's say, so right now we're at 14,710. If we get to 720, that's going to be $20. Okay. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. So in order to hold these contracts, the margin, it's margin based and it'll differ depending on your broker. I use Interactive Brokers. I got a full guide in the description in the bio for you guys to click on the margin and what you need. And also on the website, if you guys go to resources, I have a full lesson on fibs, and I'm sure you guys have seen it. Sorry, on futures. I'm sure you guys have seen it many times. All right. So let's talk about the setup and what I'm looking for. So what I'm doing here, guys, is I am hunting dragon patterns. Okay. What's going on, Gus? Johnny, what's going on? Okay, so here we go. I'm going to draw this with you guys together. All right, so let's go ahead and let's remove everything. So when you have a small account, a lot of the times you kind of need to be on the bigger time frames because it gives you a wider stop loss in terms of if you're swinging. Okay, so I like the daily chart. Day trading with small account, it's mostly the 5-minute. But if you want to swing, you really want to zoom out and get a bigger picture view of the chart. Okay, so I'm here on MNQ right now. This is the daily chart. So you can see right in the back here is the 2021 highs where we had that big stock market crash. And one thing that I noticed here, guys, is just on a high level, if we take this is the COVID pullback and we bring it up to that high, I mean, the fact that did it actually just touch it to the penny, the 618? Okay. Let's put on the exact levels and see. So here we go. So the low is 662875. 662875. Hit OK. And then let's go to the high. 16,767.50. 16,767.50. All right. So let's go ahead here now and let's go. There's our 618 at 10,501.75. The low before this huge rally was 1048, 10,484.50. So literally within about 30 points. So when I saw that NQ is respecting the 618 Fibonacci, it really just made me excited. Hit me with a 3 if you feel the same way. Because what it means to me, guys, is this is another tool that I could put in my toolbox in order to make money. All right. There's no denying this. You look at this chart right here. Here's our low. Here's our high, guys, on the 618, and then we push forward. There's absolutely no denying that 618 right there, and it's just beautiful. Okay. And not only that, but let's look at some of these major retracements. Okay. If I come here, high to low, that's on the 50. If I pull this one here to the low there, right on that 618 zone, we take the anchor from this high, bring it down to this low right here, guys, another 618. Look at this. And the precision and the love for the 618, guys, is what keeps me going. I absolutely love the 618, and I'm willing to lose my whole account for the 618 because it's made me so much money. I'm willing to just risk it all for the 618. Okay, don't do that, but I'm just showing you the passion and the love that I have for the 618. And the fact that NQ respects that 618 so much gives me so much excitement to trade it. So what I decided, I'm going to do MNQ, small account, guys, to hold the MNQ. I mean, it's got to be probably a few $100s of margin. Okay, I don't have the exact number because it depends on the broker, but you probably only need, a few $100s in your account in order to hold one MNQ because it's extremely tiny. Okay, so here was the setup. So what I did was I tried to find the bottom anchor. So you could look at this chart. You could say, hey, I could put an anchor here. I could put an anchor here. I could put an anchor here, blah, 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 blah. So how I like to find my anchors is I take an anchor. So like this one, there was a gap. And I move it to the high and I watch for the reaction on the 618. So there was the beautiful reaction on the 618. I could pull it down a little bit more. You see it wouldn't touch. And then I can bring it up here. And I could bring it up here. And I could bring it up here. But what I saw on this level right here, guys, was a great reaction on the 618. So that's the one I'm using because I believe based on that the algorithms are also using that anchor point. Okay. So hit me with a 10 if you're following me so far. So let's go ahead and put the exact level. So the low is 13,803. So we're going to double click on here. I'm going to put 13,803. Right. And then the high right here, that's 16,062.50. 16,062.50. Okay. And what I noticed, let's zoom down here to the 5-minute chart, is there is the open for futures. And did you guys see how it tagged the 618 right away? Hit me with the 7 if you saw that. So once I saw that come in, bang, okay, I didn't get the exact 618. I ended up buying on this first pullback right around here. Okay. And one thing that's kind of crazy, we go from low to high. Okay. This right here, this pullback was right in that golden pocket, that 50 to 620. Okay. So really nice. So I'm long on there. Based on the daily chart, I can risk off of these wicks. 1, 2, 3. 1-to-1 risk to reward for me will be right here. And technically I could go to break even right now if I want to. But like I said, I didn't get the exact 618. I'm a little bit above it. So what I'm going to do right now is let me log on to the broker on my phone, and then I will put the exact level and we'll mark it down together. Okay. So my exact long is 14,689.50. Okay. So let's do that. 14,689.50. That's my exact entry. All right. So let's adjust this for 1-to-1. So that'll give me a 1-to-1 right about there. And I'm going to take a horizontal line and I'm going to mark it on 14,689.50 right there. And I'm going to lock it. So there's the lock. So if I come on the 5-minute chart, we can clearly see my entry right there on the pullback. And so far, green. Okay. So hit me with the 5 if you guys are following me. Does all make sense? So this is my small account challenge. Got the stop losses down here for protection. So if I lose on this play, I'll be losing roughly $150 or so, $160. So that's not bad at all for a small account with a good potential reward. And if it do stop out, I'd probably look to re-add or look for a new setup. Okay. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. I'm 50 subscribers away from 34,000. So please hit the subscribe, hit the like, and follow along in this journey here, guys. Okay, follow along in this journey with me. I'm trying to do a lot more small account focused content, and you guys can also see in my Fibonacci Society, which is a lifetime access. Someone's going to get lifetime access to that by the end of the stream. And by the way, so make sure you stay tuned. I am doing lotto calls and puts based on SPY advanced patterns. Okay. The other thing that I noticed with this setup here is we had a dragon setup. I'm going to draw for you guys. These are one of my favorite setups. So we have low to high, a slight pullback, extension, and then there's the 618. So there is the dragon right there, my friends, with the small left wing and a big right wing. All right, so there's the head. Boom. You guys see that? Hit me with a 5 if you see that. So that's the game plan right there, guys. See, I wonder if I click choose image, how do I get the dragon? Idea. I feel like there is a dragon in here. Do you do live in the weekday mornings? Yes, sir. Every single day. I've been live for 2 years straight. I probably missed 2 days in 2 years. So I've been waking up every single day, guys. It's my love of my life, really. This is next to my wife. My wife is her first love, and then trading is the second love. You got to love it, guys. All right, so that's the setup on NQ. Just wanted to let you guys know about that. All right, anybody ready for a giveaway? Hit me with a 7. So I'm going to do a giveaway at the end of the stream, so please stay tuned. I'm going to go pretty quickly now through the rest of this, and then we're going to wrap it up. All right, so next Sunday, I'm doing a $50 cash giveaway, okay? Every single month, I'm committed to giving away $50, at least $50, okay? And the giveaways will be for the Trading Wars Army members, anybody with a green in their name. The Trading Wars Army costs $5 a month. So I thought it would be a good idea to give someone $50 a month back, so you have that chance to win. And so you feel like you're getting more value, okay? Because then basically that pays for almost a full year, all right? So really excited for that. Hit me with a 1 if you guys think that's a good idea. So I just want to point this out. If you join the Trading Wars Army, there's a lot of value. And I really am asking you guys to join because I'm seeing a big downturn in the viewership in the channel. And I really think that if we get more members, it will spike the algorithm. And I'm trying to keep it really affordable. Okay, it's $4.99. All right. So let me just go ahead and show you what you get. Okay, so what is the whole point of doing that? Okay, so I'm going to show you that right now, my friends. All right, so I'm going to go right here and I will show you what you get. Okay. All right, so here's the YouTube right here, my friends. So go to my channel. I feel a little bit laggy right now. As you guys know, I travel a lot. So I'm not always in the best situation with the internet. But anyways, so if you go under membership, these are the exclusive perks that you get as a Trading Wars Army member. Every single day you get special picks with the full plans. There's a full spreadsheet here, guys, with the entry, stop loss, target, the options every day. Okay, so you get that one every day. That's minimum. And you get access to the seminars, which we do at every 1 to 2 months. So normally there's a charge of $100 for the seminar, but you guys get that for free. Okay. And from there, my friends, you also get, there's something else I forgot, but I had it written down here. You get the picks, you get the seminars, and then you get the giveaway. So the $50 giveaway. All right. So I think that's pretty cool, guys. Hit me with the 10. All right. And just for your, the join button is below. Okay. It's right below the video. You'll see the join button. Okay. So just want to tell you guys that. All right. So now let's go ahead and do the market review and we'll wrap it up. So I'm going to start off with the trade of the week, which was the 18th of October. So I'm going to go into SPY and I'm going to go to the 18th of October. So the trade of the week, my friends, was on Wednesday. And you could see in the morning, we had some sideways craziness, but we eventually broke through and made a beautiful move to the downside right here. And from there, guys, we take our Fibonacci from the high to the low. We tag that 618 with that inverted hammer and took it straight down, guys. So for anyone who had the guts to swing this one was a trade that could triple your account. All right. So this was a really, really nice 618. And you can see even a little bit of a retest later on, but that 618 held strong all the way through into the end of the week. And really all it takes, guys, is catching one of those good 618 trades a week to be profitable. Because when you hit a good 618 like this, there's no looking back. You can make 5 or 10 times your money easily. And then you can, for the rest of the week, if you lose, you still have a good chance of making money as long as you follow good risk management. All right. Now on SPY, with that sell-off, we've created a very powerful outside bar on the weekly. Okay. So an outside bar on the weekly, just remember the stock market crash started with an outside bar on the weekly. So anytime I see an outside bar on the weekly, it makes me extremely excited for volatility. What's really important about this one is if we look to the left, the previous week's high was 437.34. This one was 438.14. So it poked by 50 or 60 cents. And then as soon as we came up here, it just went straight down, bang. Okay. And if I take the Fibonacci from the last high going into this week on the low, did not tag the 618, but we definitely did tag the 50. Okay. And the 50% retracement is a very strong algo push. They don't even want to wait for the 618. They want to move it immediately on the 50. So that is a sign of a lot of short sellers. Hey, Arnaldo, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, my brother. Let's welcome Arnaldo with the TW Army Spy VIP. Thank you, sir, guys. Let's welcome him in. So that is crazy, to say the very least. And if we swap that fib, we can come down to this double outside bar, Holy Grail setup, and you can see we are still in that golden zone, okay? So the bears are fighting back, and they want to bring it down back to these lows. So there's a lot of room still on this chart, guys. Look at this chart. There's a lot of room. There's a lot of room left. There's all these levels of support in the bottom. All of these are fibs as well, okay? And one thing that I missed, my friends, because I wasn't following this pattern back then, but one thing that I missed, so I'm going to just double click this. Let's take off the 50 and add the 786. So this right here, guys, is a advanced dragon. So here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Completion was here. Okay. So it did take a little bit of heat on the 786, but they did show up, guys. So it looks like they loaded on the 618 and the 786. So there's a lot of short players in the market next week. Do not be confused. Look at SPY. Look at the last hours. Okay. Look at this selling that came in. Extremely aggressive. This Trading Wars Army gets swing trade picks also. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Whenever I see something good from a swing trade perspective, I also post that up. Like this outside bar would be a great swing trade setup. Okay. So the way you would swing this right here is just short below the low of that outside bar, stop loss at the high. If you're going to do puts, probably you're going to need about 4 weeks out. Okay. Or you can do futures or shares. All right. Okay. Hit me with a 25 if that all makes sense. So the one thing that could happen next week is something like this, which would be a bear trap where we push a little bit lower, but a big green candle comes in, starts to wipe out that bar. And then within a few weeks, we break through and just short squeeze. So that's also a scenario. So I will be watching both sides. All right. Okay. So on Friday, we went ahead. So let's go and let's wrap up with the giveaway right now. On Friday, we went ahead and I went live and we shorted Netflix live together, guys, on the 618. So if you have not watched this video, please watch this video. I'm going to link this video right now in the chat. Okay. I'm going to link it right now in the chat. Here we go. So go ahead and leave a comment on this video as well. make new lows. Leave a comment on this video as well, guys, because I will be picking the giveaway winner from there. So let's go ahead. Let me find it. Where is Netflix? Where was that short? I'm trying to find it for you guys. So this was the Netflix short. You could see when we were trading it live, it tagged the 618 right there. Okay. And then it consolidated for a bit, and I ended the stream because we were streaming for about 45 minutes. And you could see it started to reject. Now let's go back and look at how that day ended. So here's Netflix. I'm going to go to the 5-minute. This is the 618, the same 618 we called out on stream, guys. Really nice push into the close. So if you guys hit that with 0 DTE, you gotta at least probably made 100%. All right, hit me with a 5 if you watch that stream. So please watch that stream if you haven't, my friends. Very, very good stream. I showed you in detail how I think about the 618, and we use candlesticks. You see this inverted hammer? This was the trick. So if we go back to Netflix on the 2-minute chart, there it was right there. That one wick. You see how that one wick was that short seller that held all the way through. And on the way down, guys, look at this. High to low, another 618 pullback there. And then we hit it again from this high to low. Look at this. Bang, right there, guys. Wow. Wow. Boom. Hit me with a 1 if that's amazing. So that's amazing, guys. When you see it, just touch it that one time. And do not look back, my friends. That is the key. All right. So here we go. I'm going to do the giveaway. Let me just talk about this real quick, guys. This is the Fibonacci Trading War Society. We post lottos here, and I post the swing trades with the dragon. Okay. So, guys, for a limited time, all right, I repeat myself, for a limited time, I'm doing lifetime access. Okay. Lifetime access to that room. So you'll have those lottos, you will have lifetime access for $149.99. That's it. Okay, I think that's probably the cheapest deal you'll see for a lifetime. And on top of that, it's going to come with 1 month for free in the SPY room, which is our SPY day trading room where we go live every single day. But you will get access to the society for life. So if you want to do it, guys, go ahead and do it now. All right. And it comes with the most beautiful book that I've ever written, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci. All right. It's a really strong, really, really good book here, guys. I mean, it can't get better than that. Live recordings, broker statements. I really don't know what else to say. We followed this journey here. 22 winners, 24 losers, $16,000 in profits, guys, showing the power of risk management. So check it out if you want to go ahead and grab that lifetime access while you still can. Boom. Here we go. Pride and Envy. Welcome, 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 my friend. Pride and Envy. Let's welcome Pride and Envy with the TW Army SPY VIP. Boom. All right. So here's the link for the person asking. Thank you, Briggs. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead. Did you guys finish your comments? So one of you guys are going to get lifetime access right now. All right. So did you finish your comments, my friends? Hit me with a 4 if you're done commenting, and we're going to go ahead and do the giveaway right now. Boom. All right, so here we go. Go ahead. You ready? Hit the refresh. Okay. So we have, very good, very good. Hey, there's not much people today. Somebody's going to win. There's not much comments. Someone's going to win it. Here we go. Get the random number generator out. All right. Here we go, my friends. So 1 and 22. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. 5 minutes ago. User KX2FH. I do not know who that is. Is there a user KX2FH in the chat? I mean, that's got to be a real person because it said 5 minutes ago. All right. So user, you are the winner, my friend. Please email me rich@tradingwars.com for your free book, and lifetime access to the Fibonacci Society, my friend. All right, guys, don't worry if you feel like you missed out. There's always another opportunity. Giveaways every Sunday. Hit the comment, like, subscribe. Follow the small account journey with me, my friends, and let's see where we can go with this, okay? So here we go, guys. Thanks so much for your time. And again, email me, rich@tradingwars.com. I'm gonna refresh this after and figure out. Actually, let me open this in a new tab. Hey, this guy, is this a person or not? There it is. A. Here he is. A right here. A, you are the winner, brother. All right. So there we go. Real person in the chat. Okay, guys. Thank you. Comment, like, subscribe. See you again. Follow the small account challenge. NQ, I'm coming for you. Wait. There's one more thing I wanted to say before I leave. It's a very important thing. So I was listening to the story from Earl Nightingale. For those of you who don't know who that person is, you should spend 10 minutes listening to one of his videos. But anyways, here's a story, okay? You guys know I love you guys, so that's why I like to share with you guys these stories. Anyways, so there's a golden goose that lays golden eggs, okay? So what if you had a choice, would you take the eggs or would you take the goose? So you have a choice to take either one. So you get, let's say there's 4 golden eggs. You could sell those golden eggs for 40 grand right now. Or there's the goose, the golden goose itself. But it takes time for the golden goose to lay eggs. Which one are you going to take? Hit me with the 1 for the goose. Hit me with the 2 for the eggs. What would you do? So you have $40,000 worth of golden eggs. You can sell it right now. Or you have the golden goose. Which one would you do? The goose or the eggs? 1 for the goose, 2 for the eggs. All right. So pretty much everybody said the goose, except for one person, but that's totally fine. But guess what? You are the golden goose, my friends. You are laying golden eggs for yourself every single day. Okay? So invest in yourself. Invest in your health, invest in your education, invest in your love, your life. Take care of yourself because you are your own golden goose. You don't need to go buy one. Okay? So take care of yourself, invest in your education, invest in yourself, believe in yourself. Thank you very much for your time. How do I access picks for the week? Just go under membership, brother. Thank you. Go under the membership tab. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Take care.